Hi sa tanan, I'm Jess of DK Realty Philippines and today atong i-feature ning bungalow house and lot for sale diri sa Philinvest. It's just located in Butuan City and in Ampayon. So naa siya sa center. So tara uban ko. So upon walking the house is naka fully gate and fully fenced na siya, and this is where you can park your SUV na sakinan, and then your garden area over here. So, di ba, nice na siya, no? Naka-theme na siya. Tapos, pwede ka mag-muni-muni or more early morning coffee. So, tara, ubanay ko sa sulod. So, shoes off. And then, upon entering the house, you are welcome with your receiving area over here. So, nice kayo, no? Actually, ang house is themed with white, brown, and silver. So, in this area is your living area, dining area, and also the kitchen. So, di ba, dito sa living area, actually is dako na siya, and tanan mo nakita dito sa video is included na sa for sale. So over here is your dining area with a 6-seater table and your kitchen area over here. Nice na siya, diba? So this area over here po is pwede naman siya mahimong service area or pwede ka mag-extend og canopy for waka ng washing clothes or pwede naman siya mahimong hayhayan. So, and then we have also your one common toilet and bath over here and another room diri. So pwede nimo siya simuhang maids or guest room. And then the second bedroom diri is naa. So as you can see, di ba? Nice kayo siya kay dagan siya windows. So natural air and natural light to come in. Naa siya diri. And then ang akong ganahan is ilahang masters. So dako ilahang masters na area. Also, di ba, generous po kayo ang nagpagbuhat sa balay ani kay daghan po siya natural windows. And of course, dili jud malimtan ato ang imuhang own master suite and bath which is habog siya and already tiles. Nice kaayo, di ba? So, this property is 154 square meters and a 70 floor area ni siya na property. So this is for sale jud, and actually for me it's a nice location jud kaayo. And most of all, dili siya mawala ng tubig. I can assure you gabi ka kusog ang water dire, di ba? So for more details about this property, do message me. Once again, I'm Justin of DK Philippines. Thank you for watching.